Hi,
Hi.
Francis. Here. How's it going today?
Good. How are you doing?
Not too bad. Colin Adams with ADP. Thanks
Nice
for
to
being
meet you,
with me
Colin.
today.
Appreciate it. Please sit down.
Thanks for accepting my my LinkedIn request.
Oh, not a problem.
I really enjoy connecting with potential clients and even some small business members as well. Really appreciate the things that you guys do.
Oh, yeah, yeah. It also gives you a little background, a little peek into
Exactly.
what's behind the scenes, I guess.
Yeah, exactly. So how are things going? How's business?
Oh, you know,
busy?
it's really busy. You know,
Yeah.
I'm just couldn't be more pleased with how successful the whole business model has been going.
Great. Well, that's probably a good problem to have to be.
Well,
really
it
busy.
is, and it actually becoming a problem because
Yeah.
you know, the busier we get, I have so many balls in the air. I
Yeah.
like to keep my hands in the pie, so a lot of things are on my plate at this particular point.
Well, luckily you probably have a great staff behind you to really handle that. And since you're busy, Francis, I don't want to take a lot of your time.
That's
I
fine.
think we agreed to around 8 to 10 minutes today.
That's right.
If that still works.
Yep.
So what I'd like to do today, Francis, is tell you a little bit about myself and something ADP does and stuff like that.
Okay.
And then move on to some questions that I have for you, maybe to better identify your needs as an organization.
Okay.
And then also maybe move on to what ADP does and answer some questions you might have.
All right, that sounds great. Yeah, it does.
Right. Well, for starters, like I mentioned before, I'm a representative for ADP, and at ADP, we like to combine software, service, and expertise to really maximize the way you work, both in the front of the house as well as the back of the house. We actually like to say we're in the business of your success.
Oh, well, I like the sound of that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
What we do specifically is that we operate on 3 main factors. That's the cash management, people management, and risk management. And we can move on to those later. But when I did some research on your website of your company and also visited the North Point Mall location.
Did you try some of the gelato?
Yeah, maple vanilla, by far my favorite one.
Oh, yeah, it is. It's one of my favorites as well.
It took me back to when I was a young boy in Baltimore with my family and having gelato for the first time, and it became a tradition.
Oh, really?
So I was taken back to my love for gelato, but I also feel that ADP would fit seamlessly in a company such as yours due to your business type and size, as well as some future expansion plans that I've read about.
Oh, yeah.
Which is something that I kind of want to hear more about. So
yeah.
I was wondering, like, if you could tell me a possible 5-year goal that you may have.
Well, you know, we just hired a franchise relationship manager. You know, we have 3 stores currently.
Okay.
And that's really, I hated to admit it to myself, but it's as far as I think I personally can go. You know, because I like to maintain a certain type of quality, you know, very high standard. You know, I like to be very hands-on, and I think I've maxed out what I can do personally. So now we're pursuing a franchise model. So I've hired Frank. He comes from Cold Stone Creamery. He also had some fast food franchising experience to help me expand. So 5 years from now, I mean, that's where we are right now. So we're just poised to sort of launch that whole kind of franchising concept. So who knows 5 years from now? We may be giving McDonald's a run for the money, who's to say? You know?
Ice cream, no one will know what ice cream is at that point.
Exactly.
Kind of a turf war, too, with Frank coming from Cold Stone.
Yeah, well, you know, but he saw that we had a really good package to offer, and I think we've got an excellent product, and I think there's a lot of future here.
And that experience is unparalleled, and I think that's really important, but it's a very ambitious goal, but I think in someone in your position that's really attainable, especially with the staff that you have with you. But do you see any roadblocks that you might encounter?
Well, you know, I'm sure there are.
Right.
We've already, as I said, I've already figured out that at 3 stores, it's sort of maxed out. You know, there's only so much time in the day. There's only so many resources, and so I'm sure there's really going to be making sure that we maintain the quality. Of course, you know, the whole issue of paperwork, and you know, that's all going to start to escalate as well. And really, I prefer to be in front of the customer, you know, scooping up gelato as opposed to being sort of stuck and tied to a desk. So I'm not really sure what it's going to entail, but you know, with growth comes a lot of challenges.
And what are you currently using for your payroll software?
Our payroll is actually, we use a time and attendance, a software ClickTime.
Okay.
And then we integrate that with QuickBooks, which is what we do for our accounting software. And actually, my sister Dorothy is mostly involved in that. She's the HR and marketing person.
Okay. And she also does HR as well?
She does,
Okay. And what do you really like? Did she say anything about what she really likes?
Well, you know, we like the fact that it's easily accessible. I mean, it's just a software, so you can essentially sign in from anywhere. You know, so, and it does integrate with our QuickBooks. I have to say, though, it's just come to my attention last week that you know, the good news is that it can be accessed from anywhere. The bad news is that it can be accessed from anywhere. I just found out that we had an incident where somebody was running late and they called their friend and had them actually access it. I was not aware of that, but now that I know that that's a possibility, I'm not even sure how pervasive the issue is.
Yeah, and it's sometimes you don't know how long it's been going on.
Right.
You can't assume that it's just been once.
No.
Just for the sake of your
right.
business.
I think it's probably safe to assume it's happened more than once.
Okay. Well, that's not that good. But when it comes to hiring on those better employees or good employees, what does that hiring process look like? Do you do any sort of background checks?
Well, we tried to, but it was really difficult. We were just really new at this, and it was really important to get the right person. I think we did really well to getting Frank, but boy, as I look down the future, it just sucked up an enormous amount of time.
Okay. So you don't do a lot of background checks, and have you had run into any other issues other than the buddy punching?
No, that's really been the most prevalent issues for right now. Other than Dorothy just complains pretty loudly about having to do it all.
Well, the siblings kind of always get on someone else's nerves. So, Francis, what I've really surmised from our conversation so far is that you're a very hands-on owner, and you really focus on quality, and not just quality in your local stores, but quality as your business expands. You want to keep that name well, and coming with the name well, keeping your name in a good faith. You want to make sure that you're hiring the right kind of people.
Absolutely.
To do that. And you've been hiring. I understand you have a lot of family in your executive.
Well, as I said, my sister Dorothy and my brother. Steve actually handles the operations. We actually make the gelato products. So there's three employees in there. So he's our operations manager.
All right. And so then you also another issue you might have looking in the future. You had mentioned is making sure that ClickTime is just going to be working as efficiently as you grow, and making sure that it's as simple and accessible as you need it to be.
Right.
So did I miss anything at all?
No, that sounds about right.
All right. Well, if I could tell you that ADP could solve all these issues, is there any reason that we couldn't move forward today?
Well, I'd be really interested, to hear what you have to say.
Well, that's good to hear.
Yeah.
Well, like I mentioned before, Francis, is that ADP operates on three main factors. That's our cash management, our people management, our risk management. Starting with cash management, that's more of our payroll services department. And we operate very extensively on payroll software. That 1 out of every 6 W-2s are actually processed in the United States, processed by
really?
ADP.
Wow, I didn't realize it was that big.
Yeah, we have a lot of experience when it comes to something like that, and we've been utilizing. We've been utilizing the latest tools, techniques, and techniques to make sure that it's a simple software. That's something that Dorothy can really use and she loves already.
Sure.
But it also offers an extensive package, so we can grow as you grow.
Oh, that's interesting. I have to say though, now that you mentioned that, is that we're just such a small business, and like you say, ADP is this huge business. It sounds like this is going to be really expensive.
Okay. Well, we get that objection, every once in a while, and what I like to say is you got to think of it as an investment. It's going to make sure that you're going to be operating in the highest efficiency possible. But when it comes to price today, what I like to do is talk to you more about, for the first meeting, talk to you more about what ADP can offer you.
Okay. And
then we operate on a lot of different price packages.
Right.
We can customize for a lot of small businesses such as yourself, which we can get into in a different meeting if that'd be okay with you.
Sure. The other thing I'm concerned about is how secure is this system?
Well, we're very secure. I mean, we do cloud-based computing software, which has been up in the media a lot for a lot of theft and some hacking.
Right.
However, we've been using, again, the latest tool tactics and techniques for the last 15 years. So as long as cloud computing has been available, and we've been voted #1 by Security Magazine just last year for the most secure business software.
Oh, really? How interesting.
What we offer, other than the tangible software like some other companies do, but we really offer the intangible peace of mind.
Right.
So you can make sure that your software and your data and your privileged data and stuff like that is going to be secure and for your farm.
Well, that's good to know. So I'm going to have to talk to Dorothy about it. I have to tell you the truth that, I only do have the 10 minutes today, but you have piqued my interest in regards to some of these things. So let me chat with Dorothy and see what she's got to say.
Well, you can go ahead and tell Dorothy we have a very extensive package, and we can offer a lot of things, and I guarantee that if we work together, we would really solve some issues that you might have in the future and really make sure that we're working together as a client.
Okay.
So what I'd like to do is, if we could set up another meeting, I really would like to talk to Dorothy more about what she likes about ClickTime and how we can adapt that for her.
Okay.
And then move on to some other features and prices.
That sounds good.
So would next Tuesday around this time work?
Yeah, actually around this time will work perfectly.
Great. Well, what I'd like to do is I'll give you my card here.
All right.
My information's there. Feel free to call me if that date were to change. I know you're very busy. And I'll also leave you with some takeaways here.
Okay, great.
If you or Dorothy want to look over some other things that ADP has to offer before our next meeting, I'd love to work with you guys soon.
All right, that sounds great. I really appreciate your time.
Thank you so much for meeting with me.
Thank you. Take care.